Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A03 Core. Okay, for that we will need the buttons first, so the power button and the volume down button. So press these both buttons now, just for short together, and you will have a screenshot. After you're able to edit here the screenshot or to share it directly with WhatsApp or Messenger and so on. If you're doing it for the very first time, you have to allow also that the phone have access to the storage and so on. So, but it's no problem. Yeah, one more time. So the power button and the volume down button just for short together, and you will have a screenshot. If you tap now on the editing symbol here, you're also able to edit the screenshot. If you tap here on the corners, to crop just a part of the screenshot. Very useful if you just want to have a picture from a website or something like this. And if you go here on the pen, you can also highlight something here or draw something inside if you want. And yeah, after you can share this edited part directly here with WhatsApp and Telegram and so on, or if you go here on the arrow, you can save it directly to your gallery. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.